Good morning, Savers. I'm glad you're here today. Glad you could make it. It's going to be a beautiful walk. We're out in Eastern Oregon. I have my stocking cap on. It's in the low 40s and a little chillier than back home, so the stocking cap's on. And oh my gosh, if you look behind, it's just high desert out here, so it's pretty dry. Old kind of desert trees, so these junipers smell, oh my gosh, wonderful. It's one of the things I love about coming out here. This was something that Tanya and her parents have done for 20 or 30 years now. Come out here for a week every summer and just love this place. One of my focus this year is just creating more space for time. And just gonna turn, so there's the Deschutes River that's right below where we're staying, and we have a friend here. Let me flip the camera. Young buck, got some little stubs of antlers yet, but a lot of deer out here, raccoons, different birds. Just sitting on the deck. They'll come by and try to get some food out of us, and sometimes they do, and they love grapes, so I don't know that we're supposed to feed them, but we do. But so the theme this week, since we're out in a different kind of nature, just something that not used to, and little different smells, different things to see, nature is going to be the theme for the week. So nature's beauty is a gift that cultivates appreciation and gratitude. Yeah, I think, I mean, in Portland area, we're surrounded by nature all the time, even in the cities, or even in the city. But I think when you change nature, so it's just something different than you're used to, you definitely get a good appreciation of that. We had considered moving out here, but then it snows quite often. It gets below zero quite often. It's hotter than Hades in the summer, usually. This summer it's been high 70s. I think it might hit 80. It's usually 90s and 100s out here. So definitely have all range of seasons, and we kind of like the moderate temperatures of the Portland area, but sure enjoy coming here. Just the smells and the mountains and the open areas that aren't all treed in, and different activities, different things to do. With my leg, I don't know that we're going to be doing any hiking this time. Still recovering from the man on fire experience from last weekend, and I'll do an update of that here pretty soon, but it might be a pretty relaxed and chilled out week. If you have any places that you go that just make you appreciate, if you do vacations in a certain spot because you just love the area or whatever, I'd love to hear that. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'm hoping to create a place where we can all just kind of tell it like it is and learn from each other. So definitely feel free to add in the comments below. I just love sitting outside. Light breeze, low 70s. Right down at the bottom, right down here is the Deschutes River. You can hear it up here, see it. Some people are rafting, looks like right in there.